Hi, this is Johnny with Extreme Irrigation and Lawn. We just launched our new website here in Tulsa. We are a sprinkler repair and sprinkler installation company. We are locally owned and operated. We've been in the Tulsa area for many, many years. If you have any issues with your irrigation system or need your sprinklers repaired, we'd love to work with you on that. You can give us a call at 918-946-6652, or you can request a quote by simply visiting our website at tulsasprinklersystems.com. You can also learn a lot more about exactly what services we offer and learn a little bit more about our business if you visit our website. Also here in our website there's a little bit more detail just kind of listed out here on things that we specifically work on in regards to irrigation and sprinkler repair. But we'd love to be your partner or earn your business, so please visit our website at tulsasprinklersystems.com and view our testimonials and reach out to us if you need any sprinkler repair. Thank you.